just acquired one of these NightSearcher Galaxy Pro 6K units, and I have to say I am well impressed. Well impressed. I've never actually seen anything as bright. There's 3 settings of light. Got a cool reflective legs on it. The button is dead easy. I love the way the handle is. I love the way the charger stores away dead neatly in there. I like it that it's mains operated. I've had other units. I've got another unit actually, but it's I can only charge it up from the car or the van, so it's not as good in that respect. I prefer the mains. It's really good for sight. It's so bright. I'll demo this now. So I've got the light on in this garage here. So setting 1. I wonder if you can see this. 2, 3. It's just unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. The light it kicks out is incredible. I put it on last night outside my house, just lit up my whole garden like it was almost daylight. It was just blew me away actually. But yeah, I think it's really cool. I genuinely think it's really cool. Stores flat as well, so store it dead like that or like that. It's absolutely brilliant. Anyway, I hope that helps.